Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a coolant change on this Mazda 2, also how to replace the thermostat. So let's get straight into it. You need to have prepared 5 liters of coolant already mixed, or if you want, just take like 2.5 liters of demineralized water or battery water. Also some coolant concentrate. It takes green color, this car. So in order to take the thermostat a lot easier, you have to remove the intake manifold. I believe you can do this job without removing the intake manifold, but I will have to remove the intake manifold anyway, so I'm gonna do this job right now. Now you can see down here the thermostat housing. So let's go ahead and lift the car so we can drain the coolant from under. Okay, so now the car is lifted. We don't need so much working space. So if you look under the car, right in the middle, you're gonna find this plug, the white one. And all you have to do is to twist and the coolant will come out. Right now the coolant doesn't come fully out because the system is sealed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the plug back. And inside the engine bay, we can open this cap, which will allow the fluid to come out a lot faster, as you can hear. Okay, so I placed the container a lot higher so the coolant won't splash. Okay, so you're gonna need a 12mm. So let's remove these 2 bolts. Let's see, the bottom one is kind of deep in there. You're gonna need a perfect size adapter, which might be stuck. Nice. Yeah, here it comes. So you can see that even with the intake manifold out, it's still a struggle to remove the thermostat from there, because you have to be under the car, you have to open those bolts, the coolant will come on you, and if you don't have that professional lifter which will lift the car on the same height as you, like 2 meters high, then you're gonna struggle a lot under there. So probably the best way is to take out the intake manifold, or just plan in advance and do a complete gasket replacement. And if, for example, you have a problem with the intake manifold gasket, then replace that and buy the thermostat as well and replace it, even though it's good at the moment. So in that way you save a lot of time by removing the intake manifold 2 times. And now it's all about inserting the new thermostat on. Okay, so just open the radiator cap and place a funnel. Now it's time to add the coolant. So be prepared with at least 4 liters of coolant. A lot of coolant is also in the engine, so if you are able to put the car, for example, inclined in this direction, then all the coolant will come towards that draining. I already added 2 liters of concentrate coolant, green color. Now I'm going to add the battery water. Just a little bit, little by little. But anyway, I'm gonna wait until I install the intake manifold. Then I will start the car and all the air bubbles will come out. The water pump will pull all those air bubbles through these points. So you can see how slowly the bubbles are coming out. The low fluid indicator is off, it's gone. Usually it's right here. Okay guys, so that's how you change the coolant on this car. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let them in the comments below. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you in the next video.